Child-proof electrical outlets for a safe home. Ating alamin sa bidyong ito ang mga iba't ibang uri ng saksakan na may proteksyon. Ang mga saksakang ito ay malaki ang maitutulong upang huwag tuluyang madisgrasya ang mga bata sa loob ng ating mga tirahan. Maaari nating ipa-install ang mga saksakang ito sa mga sertipikadong electrician lamang. Bago natin talakayin ang mga iba't ibang uri ng child-friendly outlet, panoorin muna natin ang isang balita. Child-proof electrical outlets for a safe home. Child-proofing outlets in your home. When child-proofing, parents often add outlets covers to their shopping list, but need some help in selecting products that curious explorer can't easily remove from an outlet. There are three main types of outlet covers that are available for child-proofing outlets, and some options are better than others. Since children can suffer serious shock and burn injuries if they insert objects into outlets, selecting the best type of outlet cover is important. Also, outlets are usually low to the ground and easily accessible to children. Plastic outlets cover. Benefits: Handy for travel. Problems. Choking hazard. People often forget to reinsert them. Toddlers can learn to remove them. The break off and outlets. Sliding outlet covers. Benefits. Closes automatically. Child cannot remove. Not a choking hazard. More permanent solution. Box outlet covers. Benefits. Covers electrical plugs and the outlet. Great for items that are always plugged in. Can be removed if the outlet is needed. Nais ko ding ipakilala sa inyo ang Special Purpose Outlet, ang GFCI. Ang GFCI ay walang cover tulad ng tatlong saksakang unang nabanggit. Ngunit ang GFCI ang pinaka-the best sa lahat ng mga saksakan. Dahil ang saksakang ito ay marami ng buhay ang iniligtas. Ano nga ba itong GFCI outlets? What is GFCI? A GFCI or Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter is an automatic device that offers personal protection against lethal electrical shock or electrocution. It is a special electrical receptacle or outlets that can stop electrical power within milliseconds as a safety precaution. Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter. The Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter, or GFCI, is a fast-acting circuit breaker designed to shut off electric power in the event of a ground fault within as little as 1/40 of a second. The GFCI is rated to trip quickly enough to prevent an electrical incident. GFCI Essential. Protection. Protects people from being harmed by electrical shock. Testing. Should be tested each month. If it does not trip when tested, it should be replaced. GFCI protection can be installed directly into your outlets near kitchens, bathrooms, and other wet areas, or into your electrical panel. Function. Prevents shocks and electrocutions by shutting off power to the circuit if the electricity flowing into the circuit differs from the returning, indicating a leakage current. Ito ang outlet na pinakamaganda sa lahat, ang GFCI. Ito ay karaniwang ini-install sa CR, sa kusina, at sa labas ng bahay. Ang kaalamang ito ay malaki ang maitutulong sa panahon ng inyong assessment. Maaaring ito ay lalabas sa inyong mga exams o di kaya tanong sa inyong mga interview.